Okay, so this is your May Take and Make from the Rodman branch, and I'm going to show you here what to do. It's a little difficult. These didn't come with the sticky backs on them, so that's why we decided to make a video just to help you out a little bit. So you're going to get a package and it'll have these sheets in it, these foam sheets. And the first thing you want to do is you want to punch all of these out and lay them out, just like I did here. Okay, you're also going to have in your package, you'll have a magnet. There'll be an instruction sheet from the manufacturer, and then we made one up too, so there'll be one of these, and then this is kind of a visual guide just to help you know what pieces go with what. So the first thing we're going to do is put together our bugs. So we're going to grab the large black circle here, and then this comes as a circle, and I just pulled it apart a little bit to make it look like wings. Okay, so we're going to glue this on the big large black disc there. Okay, then you're going to take one of the medium black circles, put a little glue on it, and then stick the body on top of that. Okay, so there's the body and the head. Now we're going to stick the little black dots on the wings. And I'm just using really tiny glue dots because they're pretty small. Okay, so there's our dots. Now also in your package, you're going to have these little pipe cleaners. That's what they call them. So what you're going to do is just take your finger and just kind of give it a curl. And then use your fingers to make it a little bit smaller to make it look like an antenna. I'm going to curl that around. And then once that's done, you'll put a little bit of glue on the antenna bottom and stick it underneath the ladybug head. Okay, just like that. I'm going to turn it around. There we go. Okay, and then I'm going to do the other one. Okay. And then you're going to set that aside to dry. Okay, and you're just going to do the same thing with the little ladybug, except you don't have to do the antennas or the dots. And you can choose to leave your wings open, closed, however you want them. These ones already have the dots on them, so you don't have to worry about that. Stick that on the bigger circle. Just like that. And there's our small ladybug. And we're going to stick that one over to dry as well. Now you're going to take your bee, and you're going to need the yellow body, the wings, and 2 pipe cleaners. You're going to take your glue. You're going to put your glue at the bottom of the heart here. Take the bee body and put it on top to make it look like their wings, like that. Okay, now you're going to do the same thing with the antennas. You're just going to curl them. And then we're going to put glue on the bottom. Okay, like that. And stick it underneath the bee body. There's our bee, and you're going to let it dry. Now we're going to go into our flowers. So we have purple flowers, and I'm only going to do 2 just to show you what they look like, but there's 5 of them. You can put on as many as you want on. You can put one on, whatever you want to do. But you're just going to stick a dot of glue in the middle of the purple flower. And then you have these little yellow dots that we're going to put in the middle. Like that. Okay. And then we're going to leave those to dry. Okay. Moving on to our butterflies here. There's 3 butterflies. I don't think they're all going to fit, so you can choose what you want. But this one here, you can punch these out to make it look kind of 3D, or you can leave them in, whatever you want. And this is a body that you can put on any of them that you want. You can choose which one you want to put it on. There's another body that you can choose to put on either one. And then these here are just decorations that I have punched out that you can use on the wings, or you can leave them plain. And then the rest of the pipe cleaners you can use to put your antennas onto the butterflies. So I'll assemble one here just to show you what it looks like. We'll use this one here, and we'll put the pink body on the yellow butterfly here. Okay, and then your antennas. Are gonna go on top. And then you would set those aside to dry as well. Okay. Now, once your characters are all dry, which mine are not at the moment, but once they're dry, you can assemble your picture frame any way you want. So you can put them, see, we're gonna put our butterfly here. Okay. And I'll put little ladybug here. Okay. And I'm gonna put glue on the bottom and glue them to the picture frame. Okay, so here's my bee. I'll put a little glue on and then glue it down here. Okay, and then the same with your little flowers. You can glue those on. Okay, and then you're going to let it dry. Now, once it's dry, you're going to take your frame and you're going to flip it over. Let's see if I have an extra frame. I do. Okay. So we've flipped our frame over. Now we're going to put the magnet on. So we're going to take this white strip. We're going to peel the paper off of both sides. One sticky side goes down, okay, like that on the top, so that when you turn it around, and I didn't put it on the top, there. So on the top here, so that when you turn it around, it'll be like that. And then the magnet has lines and it's got a smooth side. Now the lined side is what is going to go on the sticky part. You want the smooth side up. So we're just going to push that down like that. Okay, and then when you turn it around, it'll stick to your refrigerator or wherever it's magnetic. So that is our craft for May. Okay, and we'll have instruction sheets, and you will need your own bottle of glue. That is the only thing that's not in here. But if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call us or ask us at the desk. Thank you.